Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease pricing and how much it costs. In short, ClickCease has two main pricing options. The cheapest standard plan starts at $50 a month with up to 5,000 clicks, and the PRO package costs $75 a month and includes up to 10,000 clicks. Install ClickCease Super easy. Our algorithm does all the work for you with seamless integration to your Google Ads account. All you need to do is sign up, paste code, your ads are protected. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Unfortunately, it falls into a gray area where it should be illegal, but it's not, leading to thousands of dollars being wasted. We don't believe this is fair and will do everything we can to make sure your ads are fully protected and you get the most out of your ad budget. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.